I saw the beautiful ad on Instagram. I think the trip surpassed the ad. Yeah, there's so much more to actually being here and being present and a part of the full experience. Honestly, and this might be what a lot of other people say too, but I think that just makes it even more true. But the group of people that we've had here, I think really surprised me. The way that everyone is so invested into the program, into the culture, into just soaking up what Poland has to offer and what it means to be Polish or to be interested in Poland, I think that is really something that's tying us together, and it's a very strong bond. We've had so much food on this trip, so much food, and all of it has been amazing. We're walking it all off. The 20,000 steps a day keeps us going, so please apply and please come. I would come back every year if I could, yeah.